Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a login page onto your Wix.com website. So the first thing you want to do from your Wix editor, you want to go here on Add Apps. On Add Apps, you want to go to App Market, and then you want to wait for this search bar to load. And from here, you want to search Wix Members area, right? Okay, so it'll show up right here, Wix Members area. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, you just have to press this big blue button to add again or install it if you don't have it. And it'll add Wix members. And once it's added, there's a couple things you'll notice. There'll be a login bar right here up top. And once you go on the page, you'll see there's a couple of new pages that Wix made for you. The prevalent one being a members page. This is where any members that have registered to your website can see their orders, their account, their wallet, their profile, and all of those sort neat stuff. You can also quick edit and customize this if you want. You can change the section background, or you can change the layout as well if you want. And if you want to see where the login page is, you just have to go to Page and Members page and Manage Pages. And on Manage Pages, you'll see Sign Up and Login. If you want to see this, like if I click right now, you can see that if your site's Sign Up and Login page, you need to publish and go live with your site. So I'm going to publish and go live with my site real quick. Right? Okay, done. Now I'm going to exit out and I'm going to preview my site. Give it a second. I'm going to view my site here as well. Give it a second to load. And if I press login here, as you can see, give it a second, there will be a sign up and login page right there.